Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I just wanted to say thank you. Oh my god, thank you so much. You guys, we hit 100,000 followers. Like what? My mind is blown. My husband sent me a picture of when I hit 100K last night and I was like, what, already? When did we get here? Like it just I don't know. I'm out of words. I don't even know what to say. So all I could really say is thank you guys for supporting me, for supporting my channel, for supporting my dreams, and for enjoying my videos. I know that makeup tutorials are the things that you guys like to see the most, but I always like to add extra little videos here just so you can get to know me a little bit more. So for those of you that are new, hello, welcome. My name is Karina, also known as OMG Lashes on YouTube. I hope you subscribe and join the team of honeys and makeup lovers and addiction of makeup and everything beauty related. Okay, I'm just babbling at this point, but again, I just wanted to emphasize how happy I am and how thankful I am for you guys and for supporting me. So in today's video, as you can see, it's a makeup tutorial on the look that I'm wearing right now, and honey, I am living for it. It is a recreation video of a girl that I found on Pinterest. Not Pinterest, on Instagram. I will show you guys in the next clips what it looks like, my recreation and hers. So if you guys want to see my recreation on a Instagram picture, then just keep on watching. I'm going to show you guys a picture that I am wanting to recreate. I have an idea. It's really easy, or it seems easy, which is why I chose it. So this is a look that I am going for. She is absolutely gorgeous. If you guys want to follow her, her name is Natalie Baby. So I will have her at Instagram. Oh, I have an itch on my eye and it's turning red. Do you guys see that? What is it? For the blue eyeshadow that she's wearing on the top of her lids, I'm going to go in with the Pinky Rose Cosmetics Bright Lights palette, and I'm going to take the shade Cloud, which is this one right here, and we're literally just going to apply it all over the eye because that's the way it seems that it is. It doesn't seem like she has a lot of definition going on, so we're just going to pack it on. I'm going to use this brush. I'm going to go in with a smaller brush like this, and I'm going to pick up a little bit more of that product. And all I'm going to do is blend it to the crease and just work my way up. So all I'm doing now is just blending the colors up to Jesus, honey. We don't want no streaks. We want to be flawless. Now that we have that nice and blended, it looks like she has a pigment on her eyes from what she tagged on her Instagram. That's literally what it looks like. Unfortunately, I do not have any blue pigments, so we're going to improvise. I didn't realize how hard it was to get a baby blue eyeshadow. I thought I had quite a few, but I actually don't have very many at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by ABH Cosmetics, and we're going to take this shadow right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply it all over the lid because it seems that she has it that way. I typically don't like to bring any shimmer shadows up higher than my lid, so I'm just going to keep it that way. I'm going to wet my brush like always. There we are. I'm going back into that baby blue color one more time, and I'm just going to diffuse the colors a little bit more just so they're not so plain and harsh. Trust me, anytime that you take your sweet ass time blending and blending, you're going to love the work that you do. And that is pretty much it for the top of the eyes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this cream vanilla shade from this contour palette, and I'm going to apply it to my brow bone. I just feel like it's going to bring so much color and so much life into this look. Do you see how that just makes a difference? I just feel like it softens everything and it makes that blue look more gradient from this white to the blue. I don't know. So just in my head, do you guys use a brow bone color every time? I am curious to know, seriously. Let's move on to the face. I'm going to use the Becca Evermatte Poreless Priming Perfector. Oh my god, I haven't used this in, I don't even know how long it's been. I stopped using it. I don't know why. I just get into these ruts where I try out new products and then I just leave the other products behind and then they never get used. I know I'm not the only one, but I literally have not used this in so long. And today the foundation that I want to use, I try to use it with an oil because my skin is dry and every time it's dry, it just looks super nasty on my skin. For my foundation, I'm going to use the Jouer Essential High Coverage Cream Foundation. I am in the shade Bronzed. I've been loving this foundation left and right. I've been using it so much. It is so full coverage. Literally, you just need the smallest amount. And honey, this covers everything. Literally, I didn't even use a pump. But because again, this foundation is so full coverage and it's so matte, if you have dry skin, this is going to just emphasize any texture that you have, any dry patches. So I'm going to take a little bit of the NYX Hydra Touch Oil Primer. Literally just the tiniest bit because I don't want to get too oily either. I'm going to go in with a brush first. I find it easier to blend it in or push it into the skin with a flat top kabuki and then go in with the beauty blender because I don't know, I feel like this foundation is a little bit hard to work with. For concealer, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C8. At the beginning, I wasn't loving this concealer just because it gave me a hard time when I first tried it. If you guys seen this video, you know what I'm talking about. But now I've been reaching for it so much and I'm still using my Tarte concealer, but I've been really loving this one. I'm also going to apply some to the center of the forehead, the chin, right here and up the nose. The only reason why I do that is because I want these areas of my face to be highlighted. This is what I want to bring forward. Even though I have a pretty large forehead, when I do go in with the bronzer, this is going to look a little bit smaller. And then my chin is just going to bring it forward, elongated, because I do have a more rounder tortilla face. To set my under eyes, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I barely ever use this. I actually stole it from my sisters. I borrowed it because I ran out of mine forever ago and I just never repurchased. And I used it for a video that I did for you guys a while ago and I just never gave it back to her. Sorry, sis. You know, that is one of the benefits of having sisters that enjoy makeup. Is I get to steal their makeup, they steal mine, we borrow each other's makeup. I love it. I love having sisters. It's so much fun. And I'm like the only one that is crazy about makeup. It's always so much fun to have sisters, huh? Do you guys have any sisters or brothers? Let me know if you guys also share your makeup with your significant other or your sister, I don't know, whatever it is, cousins. Who do you share your makeup with? That is the question of today's video. We're actually not gonna let this bake too long because again, my skin has been a little bit more on the dry side. Even though it's almost summer, I don't understand why my skin is acting shady. I'm just going to dust this off. I am totally doing everything out of order, but it's alright. I'm gonna take this Kokie Cosmetics palette and I just dug my nail. I'm gonna take a mix of this one and this one. And we're going to chisel our cheekbones. Also, the girl in the picture also has, it looks like she has a pretty heavy amount of bronzer. So that's what I'm going to do. I typically don't go too heavy with my bronzer and my blush. And when I see it in other people, I love it because their skin just looks so bronze and pretty. And I just feel like I can never pull that look off. But today is the day to try it. It's 2018. We're trying new things. I'm going to grab my favorite bronzer, which is the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark Deep. Oh, might have done too much. I don't know if I'm going to like the heavy bronzer with the blue eyes. I need to finish off the rest of my face to decide whether I like it or not. But if I do like how it looks, I will go back and apply a little bit more bronzer than normal. On the bottom of her lower lash line, she has just a bright yellow eyeshadow. I am so excited and ready. Now what I'm going to do is I am going back into that Take Me to Brazil palette. And I'm going to take this yellow shade right here. I went ahead and popped on some lashes. These are the Lash Kittty in the style Michelle. They are back in stock. They were out of stock for the longest time. I'm going to pop in some highlight to the inner corner. My favorite one is the Morphe X Kathleen Lights palette that came out a while ago. This inner corner highlight right here is literally breathtaking. It's amazing. It's pigmented and it's like the perfect color. So we're just going to pop that in. Really quickly, let's apply some highlight to this face. I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Mercier highlight. Now for my lips, you guys know I love a good lip liner. This is the Italia lip liner in the shade brown. I really don't know what lip color she was wearing, but I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Ashton Liquid Lipstick. This is one of my favorite nude liquid lipsticks. It's so pretty and it's not going to take away too much from the eyes. And that completes this makeup tutorial. I love the outcome. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would love to continue to do more makeup looks like this. If you guys want to send me any Pinterest pictures or Instagram pictures that you guys find and you want me to recreate, send them to me through either Snapchat or Instagram or my Facebook. All my social medias are linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching today, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.